Very excited. Very, very excited. I've been a big fan of the KFC Flavors of the South crispy strips. And now the pickle ones are out. They were out yesterday. I opted to get the McDonald's burger. It was wrong. Should have got the KFC. Alright. What's that all about? They've really upped their sauce game at KFC. Finger licking good sauce. Sweet and tangy. Lots of sauce. This is the new KFC pickled chicken. Sorry it's hot. I'm flustered. Dealing with the dog. Also, but first, let's do this. These are these teeny tiny little sandwiches. They sell there for like $1.60 something. And this is pickled chicken. And you know what it smells like? It smells like ranch dressing. It smells like those little soy crackers you make with dill, olive oil, and ranch seasoning. Exactly. And I love those. Oh, right down the wrong pipe. Geez, KFC, kill me. Got some pickles on it. Little piece of chicken, some mayo. They're really good. The pickle flavor, I was worried the whole time it was going to be punch in the face pickle flavor. I like pickles, but the reason I didn't check out Sonic's slush is because I'd have to drive an hour for one, and two, I knew I wouldn't want to try a Sonic pickle slush. This is good. Nice subtle flavor. But if you're a pickle fan, you'll like it. That's the thing. That's the craze right now, pickle. This makes a lot more sense than a pickle slush, though. Really good. These, I think, are $1.65. These are a neat thing that they have because if you want to sample something, you don't want to dig too deep or buy too expensive of a meal. You just buy one of these and taste what it's like. I like that. That was dynamite. I give that a hot damn on the hot damn-o-meter. Now, here's the true test. The crispy strip. But you gotta try finger licking good sauce. What in the world could that be? What in the world? That is the weirdest thing I've ever had. It doesn't taste like mustard or it tastes like I don't know what that tastes like. Kind of almost like a poppy seed dressing. Alright, here they are. The world famous. Everybody's been waiting. Not really. Totally forgot they were coming out yesterday. Pickle crispy strips. Even come with a couple pickles in here. Don't unnecessary, probably. Alright. Try a little small one. And even in the finger licking sauce. Now this is a little more intense pickle flavor. It's good, but this is pickly. This tastes like a... Mine tastes like a pickle, but... Pickle's going on in there. Of the flavors of the South strips, Kentucky Gold, Nashville Hot, Smoky Mountain Barbecue, this is my least favorite. It's not a fun flavor, it's just a pickly flavor. It's not that negative a rating though, because I really love those other three. And this one's not bad. Pretty good. If you're into pickles and you're into ranch, I think you'll really dig these. Got a nice little dill flavor to them. Really good. And you got to try the finger licking good sauce like nothing you've ever had. Alright. I think I'm done with this one. Thanks for watching. That's the KFC Pickle Chicken.